Hi, I'm Steve from Chemline, and as part of Chemline's commitment to excellent customer service, I'm going to show you how to reassemble your Fusion AP spray gun. First, make sure to have white lithium grease on hand to add lubrication to the O-rings and threads. When the filter cartridge gets reassembled, you'll want to add a little bit of lubrication with white lithium grease. Take the filter cartridge parts and place the ball back into the cartridge, in the post, and the spring. We screw the screw back in, and we make sure that the screw is just beyond flush for proper location. Then we slip on the filter. After it's been cleaned, that's complete. When the side seal cartridge gets reassembled, the spring goes in first, then the side seal. The O-ring in. It rides against the mix chamber, just like this. We take the handle of the gun in the mix chamber, we look for the notch on the back of the mix chamber, and it twists in just like this. Then we put the head on and thread it back into place. It's a precise fit. You have a large gap in front of the compression ring or locking ring, and you have a small gap behind the locking ring. Then after that's in place, you look at your side seal cartridge. Pull off the marking on it for A is the A side. It goes on the A side of the gun. Press it in. A little more lube on the B side. Goes into the B side. Press firmly. Then we're ready for the A side filter cartridge. Lube that O-ring. Locate the A side of our gun. Place the A side cartridge, pressing firmly into place. The same for the B. We squeeze those together. After they've been cleaned and lubed and back in the appropriate location, we're ready to put on the compression ring and the air cap. We'd like to take a small amount of lithium and wipe it down on the complete gun. This will aid in cleaning the next time we proactively clean our gun. Thanks for watching this video on reassembly of your Fusion AP spray gun presented by Chemline. Head to chemline.net to learn more about our company. You can also subscribe to get more helpful videos in our series by hitting the subscribe button on YouTube. Thanks for watching.